Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yazzy.B here. So this tutorial is going to be like an island breeze tutorial with the shell earrings, the aquamarine eyes, the nude lips and the lovely head bun. So if you want to see how I achieve this look guys, please stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And to my existing subscribers, hi guys, and I hope you enjoy this video and I love you guys so much and I hope you guys are keeping safe. Thank you. Bye. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer in the shade 430, and I'm going to use that as a base on my eyelids. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to apply that on my eyelids now. And if you haven't seen on my last video, I've used the Real Techniques concealer brush and I'm just going to dab that on my eyelids. So I'm going to use this, and it's this palette here, the I Heart Revolution Mermaid Heart, and they've got absolutely beautiful colours in these. So these are the colours right here, they're so pretty. And I'm going to apply this colour here first of all, as you can see. So I'm going to go in and apply that on my eyelids. And I'm just building the colour up a bit more. Okay, so right now it looks a bit dull, but I'll enhance the colour even more by adding more blue tones. So the next colour I'm going to use in the middle of my lids will be this lovely shimmery shade here, as you can see. Hi guys, so I've just applied this glittery, this green sort of aqua glitter on my eyelids. What I'll do is, when I finish this video, I'll show you it in the daylight and you can actually be able to see the glitter on there more. I'm not too sure if the camera's picking it up. Oh, you can kind of see it. So I've applied that on my eyelids. So to really intensify my eyes, I'm going in using the shade Navy by the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Carnival shadow palette, this one here. And I'm going to use this navy colour here. Okay, now that's done, I'm going to apply my lashes and then I'm going to come back and do my face and then my lips. Hi guys, so I've just done my foundation, I've added my lashes, and now I'm going to highlight my face using the same concealer that I used to set the base. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 430. And I'm just putting a little bit just in the corners and then I'm going to blend out. And I'm just going to do the same on this side. Right, now I'm just going to blend out. I feel like the concealer really brings out the turquoise colour. Okay, now to contour my face, and I absolutely love this palette. This is the Makeup Forever Sculpting palette in the shade 50. So I'm going to use this contour palette. I am trying to get hold of the new Fenty Beauty Caviar, the new one. So I might actually try that the next time I do another video. And I'm just going to sculpt my cheekbones. You see I've really sculpted my cheekbones. Just underneath my chin as well. Okay, and just to sculpt and define my cheekbones, I'm just going and using the concealer again. Okay, so as you can see it's more sculpted now. And I'm going to try and get a bronzer just to kind of warm my face, because right now the contour's looking a bit harsh. Okay, so to really warm my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. So as you can see, it's really warmed my face now, it doesn't look too harsh. So I've literally just set my face, set the contoured areas using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami, as you can see. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I've actually loved using this bronzer, it's absolutely amazing. So this is one of my favourite bronzers so far for my face. Okay, so I've set mostly all the areas of my face. So for the inner corners of my eyelids, I'm using the shade Calypso, which is this lovely lime green colour here, as you can see. And then for underneath my eyes, I'm going and using the shade Bacchanal, which was the blue I used for the top of my eyelids. So next up, I'm going to set my face. So for highlighter, to highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to use the Redible Cosmetics in the shade, in Incredible Baddie, and it's this highlighter here, which is really, really lovely. So I'm just going to use this sort of golden colour, which is here. So it's really pigmented, as you can see. So for lips, I'm going in using the Kiko Milano Cosmetics Smart Fusion Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade, let's see, 517, which is a brown colour. So I'm just going to apply that now on the outer corners of my lips. So for lips, I'm going and using the matte lipstick, which is from Nyx Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Persistence. It's this really nice nudie colour. So right now it doesn't really look that great, but I'm just going to build it up with the pencil and then add a lip gloss to it. So for gloss, I'm using the Fenty Beauty, like you know this is the best gloss, and it's in the shade Fenty Glow. I'm going to just add a little extra on me, and then I'll show you the finished look. Right, so this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed this look and you liked how I sculpted my face, the lipsticks and the products I use, which will be listed below. So just thank you very much for watching this tutorial, guys.